we doing, guys? Another early morning.
Hi, Joe.
What's up? How we doing?
Sherry. Hi, Sherry. Hi, Dave. Hey, we saw Dave. I know. He always went to your house. You told me. You told you about Titan?
What's up, Chris?
No, he did not. Oh, we put Titan to sleep. You did? Aw. Yeah. How old was Titan? He would have been 9 on the 17th. Oh, all right.
What's up, Caitlin? Facebook Live. Good morning. Kettlebell or dumbbell, guys? Whatever you got. Either or is fine. What's up, Jess? Diana? Dave, Sherry, what's up?
Joe?
All right, Joe.
What's going on, guys?
Thanks for the text this morning.
Yeah, I love getting those 5 a.m. texts.
I can send them earlier if you want, but
Nah.
hold out till 5 a.m.
Love it. What's up, Bonnie? About 30 seconds, guys. I'm going to get going. Kettlebell or dumbbell is fine. What's up, Daria? All right, mute your mics if they're not muted. If they're already muted, you're all good. The first 2 exercises this morning that we're going to do them in sets of 2. We're going to do a lateral squat, come back up, overhead press. Then other side, overhead press. Then we're going to do everybody's favorites, some burpees. We're only going to do 5 burpees, then we're going to go back to the lateral squat to press. Just those 2 exercises to start, but before that, we're going to do a little warm-up. So, cook squats. I want you to grab your toes, squat down, one arm, other arm, come back up. We're only doing 5 of these, only 5. Good. Try to get a deep squat, chest up. 2 more. Last one. All right. Next, we're going to do a PTL. Touch your toes, crawl all the way out. Give me a push-up, all the way back up. Again, we are doing 5 of these. Two more. Last one. All right, last thing, hands behind the head. We're going to go reverse lunge. Try to tap the knee to the floor. Good posture. Chest out, shoulders back. Nice work. 2 more each side. Last one each side. Awesome. All right, guys, grab your kettlebell, dumbbell, whatever you got. Lateral squats to press. Remember, when we're doing the lateral squat, toes nice and straight the whole time. All right, ready, set, and go. Lateral squat, come back up, overhead press. Good. Try to get those presses all the way over the head without leaning back. Get those hips all the way back while keeping that chest up. Nice work. Nice and low. Get low, get low. Awesome job. Nice and deep. Nice, guys. Good work. Hips all the way back. Good presses. Last 10 seconds right here. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Put that weight down. We're all doing 5 burpees. 5 burpees. Ready and go. Come on. Just 5. Perfect. After 5, walk around. That's your first round. We're going to go back to those lateral squats to overhead presses. Oh boy. Heart rate's going to be through the roof. Get your mind right. We got 5 seconds. We're going to go. So rack them up. 3, 2, 1. Lateral. Overhead press. Good. Nice and low. Get deep. Chest out. Hips back. Try not to lean back when you're pressing. Nice work. Go, go, go. Keep this pace. I like it. Keep pushing. Let's go, Facebook Live. What we got? Keep going, guys. What's up, Jen? What's up, Rich? All right, keep pushing. We got 10 more seconds, guys. 10 more seconds. Nice and low. Good. 2, 1. All right. We got 5 burpees. Ready, set, and let's go. Give me all 5. After your 5th one, shake it off. About a 15-20 second break, then we're going again. Woo! It's a good way to wake up. All right. All right, guys, get ready. Grab that weight, rack it up here. Elbows tight, ready, and lateral squat. Right to that overhead press. Push with these, push. Keep going. Nice and low, hips back, chest up. Good presses. Use those legs if you need to towards the end. Little push press. That is okay. Guys are looking good. Come on. Good depth. I like it. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Nice work. We got 5 more seconds, guys. 5 more. 2, 1. Put that weight down. 5 burpees. Go. After that 5th one, stand up. Got about a 20-second break. We got only 1 more round. 1 more round of these. Thank goodness. Nice job. Woo. Facebook Live, how we doing? What's up, Beth? All right, guys, 5 seconds and we're starting. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lateral. Overhead press. Good depth. If it gets too hard towards the end, like some of you guys are doing, drop that weight if you need to. All right, keep pushing, keep pushing. This is the last round of this. Everything you got. Let's go. Good. Use those legs if you need to for that press overhead. Little push press. It's okay. Nice work, nice work. Push it, push it, push it. All right, last 10 seconds right here. Let's go. Let's go, sprint to the finish. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Put that down. We got 5 more burpees. Last 5. Ready, and go. Nice job. All right, as you're done, grab a sip of water and then just pay attention for the next 2 exercises. We're going to do a racked stag squat. So staggered. Toe is going to be in line with your heel. When I say switch, we are switching legs. Right from there, we're going to do a push-up to crossover. At that crossover, we're going to hold for a second every time we cross over. All right, so starting in about 15 seconds, grab a drink if you need it. Staggered squats. All right, rack your weights, whatever you got. Staggered in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and low, hips back, chest up. Nice, guys, looking good. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep going. Almost there, 3, 2, 1. Other side now, other side. Right into it, get low. Keep that posture good. Chest up, hips back. Keep going, keep going. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's make our way to the floor. Remember, every time you cross over after the push-up, hold for 1 second. Hold for 1 second. All right, ready, set, and go. Full range of motion. Cross, hold for a second. Try to fight that rotation. Looking good, looking good. Keep it up. Facebook Live, same thing, come on. Everything you got. Good. Awesome push-ups. Chest all the way to the floor. Every single time. Good work. Keep pushing, come on. We got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Everybody up. Shake that off. We got those staggered squats again in about 15 seconds. Woo! Great way to start the day. All right, rack those weights up. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Staggered squat. All the way down, all the way up. Looking good, guys. Good form, good depth. Perfect. Keep pushing. Nice, keep going, keep going. 5 seconds, we're switching legs. 3, 2, 1, other side. Nice and low. Good form, guys, good depth. You guys are looking awesome. Keep going. Keep pushing. Last 5 seconds, then we are hitting the floor. 3, 2, 1. Hit the deck. We got push-ups to crossovers. Go knees if you need to. Whatever you need to do to get it done. Ready, set, and let's go. Push up. Hold for 1 second on the crossover. Nice. Fight that rotation. Nice. Looking good. Come on, come on. Yes. Good, Chris. Good, Steph. Good, Des. Keep it going, guys. Dave, Sherry, come on. Keep going, keep going. Keep pushing. Last 10 seconds right here. Come on. Push. Let's go, Eileen. Let's go, Adam. 3, 2, 1. Grab a quick drink. 20, 25 second break. We got another round coming. Nice job. Stagger squats coming up. Woo. All right, rack that weight. Back to it. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Nice. Nice and low, guys. Good. Make sure, tighten that glute at the top. Finish that movement, tighten the glute. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Nice, nice, nice. 5 seconds, we're switching. 3, 2, 1, other side. Right into it and go. Looking good. Get that depth all the way down, guys, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. 3, 2, 1. All right, drop those weights. Get back to the floor. More push-ups to crossovers. Get ready, set, and let's go. All the way down, all the way up. Hold for that 1 second. Nice. Should feel that in the core, that you're trying to fight that rotation as you're crossing over. Nice work. Glutes tight, abs tight, everything tight. Legs, quads. Come on. Think of it as a tension push-up. Let's go, guys. Push it, push it, push it. Last 10 seconds. Fight it. Come on. Right from here, we're going to get right back up. 3, 2, 1. Everybody up. This round, no stagger squat, regular squat. Grab the kettlebell. It's going to be a quick round before our midway break. Ready, set, and go. It's regular squats. Bang them out. If the weight up top is getting hard, bring them to a low hold if you need to. You just want to keep it moving. Keep going, keep going. We got 5 more seconds, then push-ups. 3, 2, 1. On the floor with this round of push-ups, no crossovers. We're just banging out some push-ups. Ready, set, and let's go. All the way down, all the way up. Chest hits first. Full range of motion. Go knees if you need to. Nice. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Nice work. Come on, guys. 5 more seconds. Bang them out. 3, 2, 1. All right. Grab some water. We got about a minute break. I'm going to explain the next few things. You guys are killing it. If you guys have any questions or anything, put on your mics, or if you want to breathe heavily into the microphone. You guys are looking good, doing good. Woo! All right. So as you guys are drinking, I'm going to show you the next one. It's going to be a single arm we're going to do a row to deadlift. All right, so you're going to be in this position, row, deadlift, row, deadlift. Now, if the weight is too heavy or it bothers you, we can do a two-handed deadlift and row instead. All right, I'm going to say switch to the people that are doing it single arm. The next thing after that, we're just going to do some lateral squat hops. Land nice and soft. Just those two things for now. All right? So we're going to start with those single arm row to deadlift. Doesn't matter which arm. Ready, set, and start with the row and deadlift. Good. Keep those hips back. Squeeze at the top. This is also an anti-rotation exercise. So when you're rowing, try not to rotate. Keep that core nice and tight. Nice. Looking good, guys. Good. Row at the bottom. Come back up. Squeeze. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right, other side. Same thing. Start with that row and then finish the deadlift. Good. You should be trying to load the hamstrings. Hips back, chest up. As you're doing that row, you should feel the hamstrings a little bit. They should tighten up a little bit. It's a good sign you're doing it right. Good, guys, good. Keep pushing, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. Throw that weight out of the way. We're doing lateral squat hops. Remember, it's all about the landing. Land nice and soft. Ready, set, and go. Nice and soft landings. As soft as you can land, yes. Good. You don't have to go too far, but just land soft. Make those muscles absorb the shock, not your joints. Let's go, guys, let's go. We got 15 seconds of this, come on. Nice and soft landings, good. Try to get a little bit lower, guys, when you land. Get nice and low. Good, good, good. 3, 2, 1. All right, shake it off. Shake it off. We are going back to deadlift to row. Single arm, if you can. 10 more seconds. Woo. All right, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Pull, finish the deadlift. Again, hips back, chest up. Those hamstrings should be feeling them. Good. Good pulls, good deads. Nice work. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Awesome, Diana. Good. Good, Jess. Good, Daria. Bonnie, good work. And we are switching. Other arm and go. Row, deadlift. Nice work. Getting a lot done here, guys, this morning. Getting a lot of stuff done, short amount of time. Come on, keep going. Pull, finish, good. At the top, glutes nice and tight. 3, 2, 1, put that weight to the side. Lateral squat hops in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and soft. Good. After about 10 seconds of these, your quads should be on fire. If not, try to get a little lower when you land. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Come on. Nice. Guys are looking good. Land soft. Nice and soft like a ninja. Come on. Push it, push it, push it. Last 10 seconds right here. This is where you're feeling it. Come on. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1. All right, shake that off. Woo. 20 seconds. Then we got another single arm row to deadlift. All right, guys. Let's get ready. Get into position. We're going to go row to deadlift in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Finish at the top. Squeeze those glutes. Nice work. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Nice. Come on, guys. Last 5 seconds right here, then we are switching. 3, 2, 1, right to that other arm. Pull. Finish the deadlift. Facebook Live, stay with us. Nice, guys. Keep pushing, keep pushing. 10 more seconds, come on. Come on. Good deadlifts all the way down. Try to feel those hamstrings. 3, 2, 1. Move that weight. Lateral hops. Super soft landings. Ready, set, and let's go. Come on. Stay with me. Nice. Quads on fire. Come on. Nice and soft. Let's go, let's go. You're almost there, almost there. Keep pushing, guys, keep pushing. Last 10 seconds, come on. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1. Quick drink. We got one more round of that, then a finisher. Holy shnikes. Woo. Nice work. Good way to start the day. All right. All right, guys, last round right here. Grab that kettlebell. Deadlift to row. Ready, set, and let's go. Good. Pull, finish that deadlift. Feel those hammies. Keep that chest up. Push, push, push. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Right to it, guys. Pull. Finish. Rep doesn't count unless you're squeezing at the top. Squeeze that butt. Nice work. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Lateral squat hops. Last round here. Ready, and go. Nice and soft landings. Get nice and low. Keep that good posture. Keep going, keep going. Come on. You got it. 10 more seconds, guys. 10 more. Come on. 3, 2, 1. All right. Shake that off. I'm going to explain the finisher. All we're going to do, we're going to do curls and tricep extensions. Kettlebell, dumbbell, whatever. We're going to curl. I'm going to say switch behind your head. Now, if you can't go behind your head, that is totally fine. If this feels better, do that from the floor. If that still hurts, just give me some push-ups instead. All right, so we're going to start with the curls. Kettlebell, dumbbell, whatever you got. Ready, set, and go. Curl. Gonna burn these arms out right now. Shoulder blades down and back, elbows tight, squeeze at the top. Good. Arms are looking good. 3, 2, 1. Elbows in, extend at the top. Nice. Keep those elbows nice and tight. Keep them in. Keep them in. 5 more reps, then we're going back to the curls. 2, 1. Curls. Ready? And go. Right into it. Ain't no time for a break. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Should stop you burning by now. 3, 2, 1. Tricep extensions. Get them up. Go. Squeeze at the top. Good. Elbows in. You win. All the way up, all the way down. Nice work. Don't fall over. 2, 1. All right. Right back to those curls. Holy shit. We are burning. Ready. Go. Good posture. Chest out. Shoulders back. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Good. We got 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then triceps. Ready. And go. Nice work. Elbows in. Good posture. Feel that burn. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Put that weight down. Everybody, 10 burpees. Then we're done. Ready, set, and go. Everything you got here, guys. Come on. Everybody get 10. Everybody get 10. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on, come on. You got it, you got it. Everything you got. Nice job, nice job. Leave it all on the floor. Once you're done, stand up, throw your mic on. Woo!
Okay.
Okay, that's a good way to start the day. Great job, guys. Good seeing you guys this morning. For those of you guys doing the shred, people I'm seeing doing awesome. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me or whatever. But love seeing you guys early in the morning. Give me a good fist bump, and we'll see you next time. All right, guys?
All right, bye.
All right.
Bye.
Have a great day, guys.